Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecture in mathematics, GDC Mahabad. GDC Mahabad. I am going to explain vector space under the linear algebra. This is the 5th semester of degree students, mathematics students. You know, algebra. Algebra we know algebra algebra is kinds of algebra. First is elementary algebra. Elementary algebra, and second one is modern algebra, and third one is abstract modern algebra, also called abstract algebra, and third one is linear algebra. You know, elementary algebra means elementary algebra is a school level algebra. Is only consider under this you consider only one variable function, that is f of x. You write also y is equal to f of x. Is a curve or polynomial, anyone. You find the y values at the x value at x variable. This mechanism is in school level. Now in degree level, 4th semester, already we learn modern algebra or other name alias abstract algebra. This is the two names are there, modern algebra or abstract algebra. Under this study of modern algebra is a study of groups and rings and fields and integral domain, etc. These are well-known definitions, important definitions. First, to see the recall our group definition. Under this, recall the group definition. Okay, already you know this definition. Now once again recall this definition, and what is the group definition? You see once again, this is G is a non-empty set, and star is a binary operation. And G comma star is called algebraical structure. This algebraical structure satisfied this algebraical structure satisfied this algebraical structure satisfied closure property. Second one is associative property, and third one is identity property. Fourth one is inverse property. Under these four properties, G comma star is a group and also satisfied and also satisfied and also satisfied and also satisfied abelian property and also satisfied abelian property, then it is called abelian group. Therefore, G comma star is an abelian group, where G is non-empty set and star is a binary operation. Binary operation means you take place and dot and addition modulo m and multiplication modulo m. This type of binary operations are gathered here. It is a group definition. Similarly, same way, some other important properties are included in group properties is extended ring definition and also field definition and integral domain definitions, etc. already you learn. This is the fourth semester of our degree level mathematics students. Now you based on this now learn a linear algebra based on this. Now based on this now learn linear algebra. Linear algebra means linear algebra is a study of vector space. Linear algebra is a study of vector space. Linear algebra is a study of vector space, null space, column space, and dimension of vector space, basis, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and inner product spaces. This is the important topics in our linear algebra 5th semester mathematics students. Now going to define a definition of vector space. How to take the definition in our group theory. Group and also ring and field. Here only you consider a non-empty set and a binary operations, one or two binary operations. Here you take a V is a set of. Now consider V is a set of all vectors. Is denoted by set of all vectors is denoted by u comma v comma w dash 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 dash. It is a set of all vectors. Similarly, another set to consider here, F is a field. F is a scalar. F is set of all scalars. This is denoted by small a, b, c. This is, field definition in our 4th semester. Field definition and ring definition and also integral domain definitions. These are all already it. Now F is field. Now V is a set of all vectors. Now F is a set of all scalars. Is also be it is a algebraical name is there, that is field, but no algebraical name here V. Now you define Now define going to V is a vector space over F. It is the case. Now V is a vector space over F, where F is a field and V is a vector. V is a set of all vectors. There is no algebraical name for V. Here given a algebraical name F. F is what about C? Field. But V is no. Now give a name V is vector space. This is the important. V is a, now going to show V is vector space. You consider two binary operations. Similarly ring and field model. You know ring, how to say R plus dot. Two binary operations are played in our ring definition. Here also same in vector space. Here two binary operations should take place and dot. These two also be binary operations. Binary operation means you take any two elements in the mother set and add or multiplication. Take any one of the binary operation. You get a new number. New number is also element of V or F. This is called a binary operation. Similarly, you know here plus and dot both also be binary operations in V and F. This is here plus is called a vector addition. Here vector plus is called vector addition. Vector addition. Dot is called plus is called vector addition. Dot is called, what about C dot? Scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. It is the case. Scalar multiplication. Two names are there. What about C? Two binary operations, one plus and dot. Plus is called vector addition. Dot is called scalar multiplication. With respect of these two binary operations, now verify the vector space properties. What is the vector space properties? Now take V plus dot is a algebraical structure. Similarly ring model. R plus dot is a algebraical structure. Here you know in learn ring theory. Similar also be here in vector space. V plus dot is algebraical structure. This algebraical structure is said to be satisfied following properties. Said to be satisfied following properties. See here, said to be satisfied following properties. Said to be satisfied following properties. It is very important. Here two cases are arise. What about C? Here said to be vector space. Under two parts are the definition. First is, what is that C? It is with respect of addition, vector addition. With respect of you take some properties under the vector addition, some properties you take scalar multiplication. Now take first vector addition. You know first vector addition part, vector addition. Vector addition properties. Vector addition properties. Under this, our V plus is an abelian group. Abelian or other name or alias abelian or commutative group. It is important. Commutative group. It is a commutative group. V plus is an abelian group or commutative group. Here two names are there. Abelian or commutative also be same. Here V plus is an abelian group and also be commutative group. V plus, here plus is only V. It is called also be vector addition. It is inner binary operation. It is external binary operation. Scalar multiplication is called external binary operation. It is vector addition is called inner addition, inner binary operation. Here V plus, V is a set of all vectors and plus is a binary operation. With respect of plus, V plus is an abelian group. It is must be. Under abelian group, what about how many properties are gathered here? One is closure property. Second is associative property. third is what about see identity property. Third is identity property, and fourth is inverse property. Fourth is inverse property, and fifth one is abelian or commutative property. Commutative property. These five properties are satisfied, then it is called what about C? V plus is an abelian group. How to consider the closure property? See this. Closure property means you write C closure property. This you write under the addition. Closure property you take u comma v is also element of capital V. That implies u plus v is also element of V. For all u comma v is also element of V. This is the closure property. You know this closure property. Now second one is inverse associative property. This is important property also. Associative property, you consider in our mother set, selected set is V. From that you consider three elements u, v, w is also element of V. Whatever, as you know, this is very easy associative property. U plus v plus w is equal to u plus v plus w. This is the for all u, v, w. This is change of brackets between two elements. This is called associative property. And third one is identity property. What is identity property? This you know. Identity property means you write identity property. There exists zero. Zero is also element of V such that what about C? Any u is also element of V. That implies you write u plus 0 is equal to u is equal to 0 plus u. 0 plus u for all u is also element of V. This is the case. Here u plus 0 is equal to u. Each and every element in V is add with 0, you get same. It is called identity. This behavior is called identity. Identity behavior. What about 0 is identity. What is identity? Addition identity. Addition identity means you plus any number with 0, you get same number. This behavior, it is called identity. You know, in our group theory is identity is unique. These theorems are already done in our 4th semester. See here, u plus 0 is equal to u, 0 plus u for all u is also element of V. It is identity property. Now fourth one is inverse property. What is inverse property with respect of addition? U is also element of V. Similarly, minus u is also element of V. V as each and every element possess addition inverse. What about C? U is there in V, minus u is also be there in V. W is there, minus W, and also be same this of type of. Each and every element plus or minus plus or minus plus or minus exist in V. Then V is satisfied a inverse property. Then you know under 4 properties above whatever closure, associative and identity and inverse. Under these 4 properties V plus is a group. Now next property, it is fifth property. What is our fifth property? Fifth property is commutative property. Commutative. See this. Commutative or abelian. You read any, no doubt. Abelian property. What is abelian property? What is commutative property? You know, in ring theory and also it is a well role in commutative property, ring theory and field and this type of definitions. What is C here? Any you take u comma v is also element of V. That implies u plus v is equal to v plus u for all. You sum, you take any order. Answer is same. Already you know this. Almost all integers and all also be satisfied this type of property. It is called what about C? Commutative property. Under these 5 properties, V plus is an abelian group. You see this. It is first stage of the vector space. Now second stage, it is very important. Second stage, it is scalar multiplication properties. Scalar multiplication properties. This is scalar multiplication properties. These also be, you know, what about C? Here 5 properties. Under V plus is a abelian group. V plus is an abelian group. Under abelian group, 5 properties are come. What about C? Already you seen closure property, associativity, identity property, inverse property, commutative property. These 5 properties. These 5 properties under the addition. That is V plus is an abelian group. Now second one is it is scalar multiplication properties. Scalar multiplication properties means it is here involve only dot multiplication and also be plus. This is same. It is what about C? It is called this property. This binary operation is external binary operation. Scalar multiplication is another name. You call another. You call what about C? External binary operation. Plus is internal binary operation. Two binary operations. Similarly, same ring model. Ring definition R plus dot is a ring. Two binary operations is enroll or played. Here also be same two binary operations. One is internal binary operation, other is external binary. Internal binary operation is plus, external binary operation is scalar multiplication. Here scalar multiplication is what about say how to take these 5 properties. Here also be under 5 properties are there. What is 5 properties? See this once again. See scalar multiplication properties. You see this scalar multiplication properties. Scalar multiplication properties. This also be 5. It is above 5 properties completed. It is I am right 6th property. It is very important property. This is scalar multiplication closure. This is called scalar multiplication closure. This is called what about scalar multiplication closure. It is very important in our vector space properties. Scalar multiplication closure is what is that? See, you see here 2 is also be involved. Vector, set of all vectors and also field scalar elements. Both also be involved. Here scalar multiplication properties. This is called, because this is called external binary operation. See here, what about C? A is also element of F and U is also element of V. That implies scalar. A into U is also element of V. For all A element of F, U is also element of V. This is the, what about C? This is the scalar multiplication closure. This, what about C? You take one of the element you take in field, other element you take in vector set. These two, you take one of the element in F, you take other element in V. These two multiply. Multiply scalar multiplication. What is given in above? What is that? See, that is A into U. That is A into U. You multiply these two. One of the scalar, one of the vector. Both. You multiply. You take one by one. Already order, not order. You take order, not order. Anyhow, one of the element consider from the scalars, other element you take from the vectors. These two is multiplied. You get answer, new answer. New answer always element in V. This is called scalar multiplication closure. It is important. ಈಗ other 7th property 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is very simple properties. Here scalar multiplication property, 6th property is very important. 7th property, what is that? See, A is also element of F, one of the element to consider from the field. Other 2 elements, U into V, just like distributive law. See, A into U plus V is equal to AU plus AV. AU plus AV, for all A is also element of F, U comma V element of V. This is the case. What about C? It is similarly just like distributive law. It is this property is also seen in ring theory or field theory, this type of properties. And 8th property is also be same. What about C? A comma B element of F. 2 elements considered from 8th property. Under the 8th property, 2 elements came from F. Under the 7th property, 1 element came from F, other 2 elements came from V. Other element came from V. This is reverse 7 and 8. See, AB element of F and u element of v, that implies a plus b into v is equal to av plus bv is au plus bv for all a comma b element of f, u comma v element of v. This is eighth property. It is very important. And ninth property also be same. It is like that associated property like that. AB, F and U element of V, that implies ABU is equal to ABU for all AB is also element of F, U element of V. This is the case. It is ninth property. Similarly, 10th property, you know one element of F. You know one element of F? One F లో ఉంటుందా? Why not? Y is field. Y is field means one is there always. Without one, F is not field. ఒకటి లేకుండా ఫీల్డ్ కాదు. One element, identity element. What is multiplication identity? One is called multiplication identity. Multiplication identity is there in F, that is field. Without multiplication identity, that is not field. Already above given F is field. Definitely one is also element of F. There exists. One is also element of F. Now similarly, U is also element of V. 1 into U is equal to U for all U is also element of V. This is the 10th property. This 1 is U into 1 into U is equal to U. If multiplied U is 1, it is get same U. This is for all U element of V. These 10 properties. Right, see, first to 10. 5 is addition properties and 5 is scalar multiplication properties. 5 plus 5, 10 properties. These 10 properties are satisfied. V plus dot is a vector space. This 10 properties is very, very important under the definition of vector space. This 10 is called Dashavatara, like that. You remember. 10 properties are there. There 10 properties, 5 is addition properties, 5 is scalar multiplication properties. This is addition properties and scalar multiplication properties. These two, 5 plus 5, 10. Under 10 properties, V plus dot is called, what about C? V plus dot is called a vector space. This is the definition of the vector space. This is the definition of the vector space. This is the definition of vector space. Now next go to now eggs. Now verify the now see. Okay. Okay, if now take symbolical is denoted by VF. V is a vector space over F. This is the case. What is C? V is a vector space over F. This F is field. Without field, you not consider here any set. That is the important. And V is a set of all vectors. VF. After 10 properties, you seen after 10 properties, what is C? After you 10 properties, VF is a vector space. This is the case. Please observe C. It is, you see, it is VF is a vector space. Symbolical is denoted by field F is in bracket, V is right in front side. VF, V of F is called vector space. This is, please observe C. Now next, see some examples you see here under this definition. One of the example you see, you know CC. CC means C is complex number, C is also be complex. CC is a vector space. C is complex number. How to define complex number? C is complex number. A plus IB, A comma B is also element of R. This is called complex number. A B you write in 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 5i, 0 plus 0i. These are also be complex numbers, no doubt at all. This is complex number is under the vector set. C, same C is also under the field. This C is a vector space. All properties, 10 properties are satisfied. You know C plus C is an abelian group in previously in 4th semester. C and also be scalar multiplication properties. 5 properties also be satisfied. Here you check here, sixth property is important, scalar multiplication closure. Scalar multiplication closure means you take one of the element come from C, other element also be field, both also be same field and vector set. Same means multiply two complex number, again a complex number, no doubt at all. Product of two complex number, again a complex number, that is also be element of C. Product of two complex numbers, again a complex number, this is also element of C. You see CC is a vector space, no doubt at all. Similarly, you see second example, CR is also be vector space, no doubt. What about C? C plus is an abelian group, or that is already you know in group theory. And R, what about C? C, it is all properties, 5 properties with respect of addition, 5 properties are satisfied. C plus is an abelian group, no doubt at all. Already you seen these properties in our group theory. Now see scalar multiplication property. Scalar multiplication property, only you see scalar multiplication, 5 properties. Under the 5 properties you see is scalar closure, scalar multiplication closure. Scalar multiplication closure means you take one of the element from vector set C. C is complex number, and your field is R. Field R means you take one of the real number. Complex number, product of complex number, real number, again a complex number, no doubt at all, is also element of C. It is important. Scalar multiplication, always you check, it is scalar multiplication closure. In our scalar multiplication properties, scalar multiplication closure is satisfied. 7, 8, 9, 10 properties, very simple, that also be automatically satisfied. But your check here, scalar multiplication closure is very important. CR, C is under the vector set, R is a field. You consider one of the element from C. C means it is complex number into real number, again a complex number, is also element of C, no doubt at all. Please, always it is satisfied the scalar multiplication closure, and other 7 property, 8 property, 9 property, 10 properties also be satisfied. CR is a vector space. Now see, next example is third example, you see RR. Please see, RR is a vector space, no doubt. RR also be vector space, because here what about see, vector set R and field also be R, both also be same, there is no different. All properties, 10 properties are satisfied. See, listen. And see please, one of the 4 RQ is also be vector space, no doubt at all. All elements, R is under vector, Q is under field. See, this is also be 10 properties also be satisfied. Now next one of the example, another example you see, RC. R is real number, C is complex number. It is it is a please, what is our answer? Is a vector space. You check the properties, no doubt at all. R is R under the vector set, C is under the field, C is under the field. Now what about C? R plus, no doubt, real number set is a group, abelian group with respect of addition. R plus is an abelian group, no doubt at all. Already you learned in our group theory. R plus is a abelian group. And C dot, and please see here, first phase is completed. Now second phase, what is C? Scalar multiplication properties. So under the scalar multiplication properties, first properties or sixth properties, scalar multiplication closure. See this, you are where R is the under vector. R is the under vector means you take real number into complex number, you get complex number, but is does not element of R. See, listen. What about here? It is very important. Now observe this. What is C? RC. R is a real number set, C is a complex number set. R is under vector set, C is under field. R is under vector, C is under field. You scalar multiplication closure, first to take the vector number. Vector number means real number. Here consider field. Field means it is complex number. You multiplied these two, complex number and real number, you get complex number, but not come to the real number. It is does not element of R. Scalar multiplication closure is not satisfied. It is very important. It is depend on scalar multiplication closure. It is listen, see, this is very very important. See, what about see, sm is sm, and sm means scalar multiplication closure is not satisfied, therefore rc is not a vector space. Similarly, same way qr also is not a vector space. Same sixth property is also be not satisfied. These are also be vector spaces. Now our vector space definition. Now going another class, you go to the in our subspace, and also be column space, and also be eigenvalues, eigenvectors, right? Thank you. See once again.